This video features details on how to easily create user permissions within VisiStat and use our new advanced territories and LeadCaster settings. Most customers will create individual users for their sales reps or various teams. It is important to note that some features are user-specific, such as notes, watch lists, lead scoring criteria, CRM, and territories. Meaning, if you want your team to see the same items, they need to use one user permission. If you want them to see their own territories, set their own lead scoring criteria, assign their own watch list, etc., then you will need to create separate user permissions, and this video will show you how. Your users will log in with the same domain name and their own unique password that you have created and provided to them. To create LeadCaster users, simply mouse over the Leads icon and select Manage Users. You must have admin access to create users. Choose the option to add a new user. Enter username, unique password, and email address for this user. If you are creating a login for a team, you can also enter a distribution email address like sales@ or marketing team@. Check off the reporting access and be sure to note whether or not they should have account options or admin access. Once you select the LeadCaster reporting access, you will be able to select LeadCaster settings. The first is the territories. Select the states, provinces, and countries for this user. Choose a region from the drop-down menu. Select states, provinces, or specific countries that should be visible. Example, if I want this user to see any leads that come in from New York, UK, Ireland, and India, I would select each region and then select each state or country. The next setting is revenue. Select an annual revenue range for this user. It is really important to note that you will be limiting the number of visible leads to this user. So we suggest that the revenue filter only be used if the sales rep is using this permission and only wants to see leads from that revenue range. Meaning if a range is defined, only leads in that revenue range will appear in their LeadCaster. If the revenue is unknown, a lead will not show unless you also include leads with unknown revenues. The last area are the preferences, the most popular being that you can choose to have this user be emailed a daily LeadCaster summary based on their unique criteria. Always be sure to save after any changes or updates. If you have any questions, please check out our other how-to videos, the Learning Center, or create a support ticket from within your reporting environment. Thank you.